can stand to, throw your hands to, get up and dance to, and start a chant to. Something DJs play to get the crowd hyped to. Something that moves you and makes you bob your head too. B-boys, they wanna come and just up rock too. Backspins, windmills, they wanna pop lock too. MCs wanna come and just freestyle too. Wanna get up on the stage and just rock with you. They see me checking the mic, they wanna check 1 2 1 2. Microphone checks 1 2. To the graffiti artist, it's pure inspiration. It fuels the imagination and promotes creation. To some it's recreation, just to pass the time. And to others, far more than just rhythm and rhymes. Not just music, yo, it's the voice of the street. Heard on corners, in ciphers, found on walls or in beats. It's not a color or race, a brand or a face. Not a city or a place, though many represent it. But a culture, a people made of all who present it. It's not good or evil, but it can be perverted. It's not something that needs to be changed or converted, but understood. Cause it's bad and good. We haven't changed the message. Christ's love still reigns. Just a method translated for a people in pain.